Stop wasting space by hitting Enter 100 times. There is a much better way to manage your document. In the next minute, I'm going to show you how to add blank pages in Google Docs the right way so your formatting never breaks again. First, let's talk about the page break, which is the gold standard for pros. Instead of cluttering your file with empty lines, place your cursor exactly where you want the new page to begin. Go to the top menu, click Insert, hover over Break, and select Page Break. This tells Google Docs to start a fresh page no matter how much text you add above it. If you're in a flow and don't want to touch your mouse, use the keyboard shortcut. Just hit Control plus Enter on a PC or Command plus Return on a Mac. It's instantaneous and keeps your hands on the keys. Now, if you need to change your layout, like switching one single page to landscape mode while the rest stay portrait, you need a section break. Go back to Insert, then Break, but this time choose Section Break Next Page. This treats the new page as a separate chapter with its own unique settings. Here is a quick pro tip. If you accidentally create too many pages, don't panic. Just click at the very top of the blank page and hit Backspace or Delete until your cursor jumps back to the previous page. That's how you master your document layout in seconds.